Hello, everyone. Today, we'll demonstrate how to design a 5 volts to 3.3 volts voltage conversion schematic. Create a file. Place the required circuit components on it. The AAMS 1117 to 3.3 here. I drew the components myself. Default text. It functions as a filter, the function of maintaining a stable output voltage. Next, we will require the necessary capacitors and resistors. Place the light source indicator light on. Then, connect the components. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.